Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 MKZ Hybrid. The Lincoln MKZ Hybrid brings together luxury and fuel efficiency. It's where the most fuel-efficient luxury car in America, with an EPA estimated 41 city miles per gallon, integrates seamlessly with power, performance, and craftsmanship. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, compass, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.